is on the 3rd of November, so in 2 days. It's National Outdoor Learning Outside the Classroom. So here we are today to give you let you have a look at the new category on Purple Mash, and also some of the new activities that have been created. So when you go onto your homepage, if you type in outdoor learning into the search bar, you will then see the category, and when you get onto the category, you have an introduction to outdoor learning. So it tells you a little bit about it and what people have spoken about it. So for example, as you can see here, it says Sal Ranulph Fiennes believe that there's no such thing as bad weather, only inappropriate clothing. So it really focuses on getting kids outside the classroom all year round. And then you've got some information about what outdoor learning is, how it's valuable to pupils, and then here you've got some golden rules for children when they are outside the classroom, and then you've got some important dates for the diary when you can really focus on outdoor learning. And then you've got a link to all of the activities on Purple Mash that have been created, but we'll come back to that bit in a bit. So that was the teacher introduction. You've then got a document which looks at the curriculum links. So the great thing about outdoor learning is that it can be used to support a really broad array of subjects, from English, history, maths, science, and it's a really great way to bring learning to life. So you've got some books that are on Purple Mash. So you've got some serial mash books, then you've got some other books, some songs and nursery rhymes, and then you've got and they all link to some of the activities which will come a little bit later. You've then got artists, and you've got some names and a bit of some bios about some artists who use nature in their work. And then you have some musicians who've used nature in their work, and you've got some links so that you can go to YouTube and listen to music. And so the benefit of what we've done with the activities is that the activities on Purple Mash can be used before or after going outside the classroom to introduce the topic or to follow up learning. And so obviously in the colder winter months you can do more inside, but then in the spring and summer it can be done more outside. So if we then look at the actual activities, so then you've got we've created an information document and activities for each of the seasons. So you've got spring, summer, autumn, winter, and then all year round. So if I click onto the all year one, you have a PDF which gives you some information about what you can do all of year round. And then here you've got links to a scavenger hunt on Purple Mash, which you can then take your iPad out, and then children can create these. So you've got spring, summer, autumn, winter scavenger hunts. Oh, I've just closed the document. And then it's got some activities which you don't need to use on Purple Mash, but then children can go out and then collect things and then make things back in the classroom or when they're outside. And there's really detailed. So this one here, tree height, is some basic maths. You can make boats, so it's a real mixture of activities. And then where it has a hyperlink, it then links to an activity in Purple Mash which you can then get to. And then so under year round you've got all sorts of activities. So you've got a mini beast hunt, so you've got things that children can go out and look for. You've got games. So you've got identification sheets. You've got matching. You can learn how to recognize birds from their bird calls. You've got brain showers. You've got quizzes about human and physical features, which fits into the geography. You've got things about rain, and again for every for every season, you've got your teacher's PDF and then your accompanying activity beneath it. And we think it's really important that children are outside the classroom as much as they can throughout the year, so that they can really benefit from sort of physical learning rather than which can really complement what's done in the classroom. So if anyone's got any questions or any feedback, they can get in touch with the support email and it'll get forwarded on to me. If you've got any other ideas that you want to get added, so that's a new category, but we're keen to keep on developing it. So if there are any other ideas that you think would be brilliant to be seen on Purple Mash, let us know. We think it's a really important topic, and we think it's really important for children to be outside the classroom.